Hello class, Mr. Stone here. The lesson for today is arithmetic sequence, okay? So I got a formula up the top. An arithmetic sequence has a common difference. The formula for the nth term, so it means if you wanted to find the 100th term, the 200th term, the 85th term, okay? You can do this, okay? So the formula reads, you start with the first term, okay, which is, I'll just use the first problem they gave us, okay, 230, okay? So let's do the, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do the first one two different ways, okay? So we'll start with the first one. It's, we'll just fill in the formula, okay? So we got 230, okay? Let's get the pen going, pen. So we got 230, okay? Plus, now the n in the bracket starts for the term that we want to find. So we want to find the fifth term to this one. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 up there. Now we want to find the fifth. So it's 5, the fifth term, minus 1, close the bracket. Now the difference, what's the difference in this? I'm looking here, right? 230 to 250, that's 20. 250 to 270, still 20. So these are 20. 20 is the difference, okay? 20. Okay, 20. 20. 20. We keep going 20s, okay? So the difference is 20. So we write a 20 here. Now we just solved this math problem, okay? So we got 230. We carry that down, 230. Now, plus, we do in the brackets first, PEMDAS, we got a 4, and we got a 20. So it's going to be 230 plus 80 equals 310. So that means that equals the fifth term. Fifth term. Okay? And if we had just continued on the other way, and we added 20 more to 290, what would we have? 310. So that's two different ways to solve this to get our 310, and 310 is the answer. You can use the formula, because don't forget, this is kind of easy. They're just looking for the next term, okay? They're looking for the next term, so it's a little easier. But if they said, hey, what's a 26th term? You couldn't actually sit down and write these down and keep adding 20, so it would take you all day to get to the 26th term, or the 420th term, okay? But this formula up the top, if you just learn, hey, there's a formula out there like this, maybe it'll be on a formula sheet, or you can, some people memorize all kinds of formulas, and you can memorize this formula for that, and you can say, hey, wow, I can do this, okay? So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go the old-fashioned way, because we only got to do 4 of them, okay? So let's see. On this next one, we got 1050 to 900, okay? Looks like we subtracted 150. It's a negative 150, came off each one. Negative 150, yep, negative 150. Negative 150. So 600 minus that, 450 is the answer, okay? Or you can plug it in this formula and you're going to get that, okay? That's what you're going to get for an answer, okay? Now let's do the next one, okay? It looks to me like this. It's 1/3 to 2/3 to 1. They're adding a third to each one of these, okay? They're adding a third. So what's the next answer going to be? It's going to be 5/3. They added a third, 5/3, and that's the answer, okay? Now the next one. Okay, the next one's a little trickier. But if you look at it, right, what if you put the 10, right? If you took the number 10 equals, how many thirds does this equal? Okay, it equals 30 of them. Okay, that's how many 30s. Okay, so what they really did was subtract 4 thirds from each one. You went from 30 thirds to 26 thirds to 22 thirds. Now 6 thirds, what's 6 thirds? What's 6? That equals 18 thirds. Okay, equals 18 thirds. So we're down to the 6. So what they're doing is subtracting 4/3 from every single one of these. So now we got the 18/3 minus 4/3. We're going to be down to 14/3. And that's the answer, 14/3. And that's it. Okay, so you just got to look at, hey, how's these numbers changing? And you just write below a little one, like I did the top one. That's a little easier. It's 20, 20, 20. Yeah, hey, it's all 20s. Okay, the next one, -150, -150, -150. It's going to continue. But if you want to learn the formula from above, or at least know, hey, this type of formula is available, you can figure any term you want. Okay? If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have mathematical friends, share with them. They might have kids or grandkids, and maybe this could help them in their lessons in school. Okay? And have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.